Ow, my hand. I chopped my fan. My hand hurts. The fuck are you doing? Get the fuck back here, bitch!
But I have something to say, since we're still recording.
Get the fuck out!